Hi guys, this is Monica and today we have this gorgeous girl Kalki along with the handsome Hank Rajat Kapoor and they are here to talk about the upcoming movie Mantra. Guys, welcome to Filmy Mantra.
Hello, Filmy Mantra. Hello, Monica.
Hi Monica, what's up?
Okay, so tell us about your character.
My character is called Pia Kapoor. She is a young woman who's a chef, 25 years old, lives in her father's house, who won't let her leave.
Okay, and what about you?
I'm playing Kapil Kapoor. I am Pia's father, and I won't let her leave.
Okay, so how was the working experience?
It has been extremely difficult, struggle. We fought a lot on and off set. This has been the core of our relationship. Right now, we're being paid a lot of money to stand here and talk to each other because we can't
Stand her.
Can't wait to kill him, poke his eyes out.
Okay, so what is the
Glasses, Safety.
That's nice. So what is the concept of this movie?
Well, it's really about a dysfunctional family, largely, and a business which is not doing so well. And what happens to inhabitants of this house, five of them, kind of breaking apart.
Okay. So what is the USP of this movie?
USP of this movie is that everybody has a dysfunctional family waiting at home. So, why not just go to a theater and watch some more of it?
Okay, so basically we have seen movies like जहाँ पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा aggressive रहते हैं like Kapoor and Sons. Though you are not in real, but obviously you choose scripts like this, So
Where I'm aggressive.
yeah, like angry.
In Kapoor and Sons, I was aggressive.
No, but
I was a poor husband who was betrayed by everybody. How you watch films? Completely wrong. Monica, really?
okay. And Kalki, same question goes to you. You also choose scripts जहाँ पे like
I am aggressive.
no, not aggressive.
Abnormal.
No. Like Margarita with straw, then a girl in a yellow boat. So not masala movie basically. I want to say. So what made you choose?
I don't choose. They choose me.
Yeah, but usually you don't like very less we see you.
Believe me, if somebody came to me with a rom-com tomorrow, I will do it.
Okay. So basically, what kind of genre you would like?
See, I think both of us would tell you that we are looking for a good script and a good role in that script and a good director to work with. It's not about a genre that you prefer this or that. Anything is welcome as long as it has it's consistent within the world it creates. That makes a good script.
Yeah, that's true.
Authenticity.
Yeah, there were rumors like ये movie में crowdfunding हुआ था. So was it true?
The rumors are true. No comment. Yeah, we did crowdfund some little bit of this film. Yes, that is true. Thank you to all our crowdfunders, especially to Steve. Thank you so much, Steve. I love you.
Okay, so apart from this, what is the reason like movie इतना delay हुआ? Because last year बन के ready हो
It's
चुकी.
not delayed. I don't know. This is the rumor. Why people are saying it's delayed? Because the film was shot a year and a half back, and then it took time in the post, and after which it went to Mami and IFFI and New York Film Festival, and now it's out in the theater. It's normal for a film to take this long. Filmmaking is a long process. It takes time. Okay.
It's like making a baby, right? You have like 9 months of pre-production, then you have the labor, which is like the really painful part, your 24 hours of labor and pain, and then you have the post-production, which is the rest of your life. You have to live with that baby.
At the end of it, when the baby is come, you don't say, "Why did it take so long?" I heard the baby was conceived last year. Hello, it takes time, okay? And even though there was no crowdfunding in that baby.
I've totally lost the track now.
Okay, so how hectic you feel like promotions are these days?
Sorry?
Promotions part. Like,
What about it?
Yeah. Like traveling and everything. How hectic?
You see, it can be hectic if you look at it like that, but it can be fun if you are willing to have fun. Like, it's such a pleasure talking to you, Monica.
Yes, Monica, it's so much fun to be here and doing this.
See, how much fun was that?
Right? Okay. So, what is your mantra, life mantra?
My life mantra is a Japanese quote which says, "Today better than yesterday, worse than tomorrow."
Okay. So, as you know, this time like digitalization is growing. So, can we see you like in some web series or something like that?
I am not doing any web series as of now. but I've done a few short films in the last couple of months, which will find an outlet on the web, I suppose. So yeah.
Okay, and what about you?
Yes, I did. I have just debuted in my first web series. It's called Smoke, and we're still shooting it in Goa, and it's on the Goa Mafia.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Thank you talking to us. Thank you so much. It was pleasure. All the best, guys. All the best.
you,
Yeah.
Monica.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.